Ramu Education. If not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click the bell icon. So in this session, we are going to discuss our fourth question. The following distribution gives the state-wise teacher-student ratio in higher secondary schools of India. Find the mode and mean of this data. Interpret the two measures. So what they are given, number of students they are given and number of states they are given. So number of students 15 to 20 and number of states for that. How many states are there? Like number of students 15 to 23 states are there. So like that they are given. So first we are going to calculate mode. So what is the mode formula? The mode formula is small l h, small l plus f1 minus f0 by 2f1 minus f0 minus f2 into h. So here f1 is the modal class frequency and f0 is the preceding modal class frequency and f2 is the successive modal class frequency. H is the class length. So what is the h here? The h you can take it as the difference between lower limits of corresponding successive class intervals, that is 20 minus 15. You can take any values or upper limits also you can take, that is 20 minus 15 will be 5. So this is the class length, h will be that one. So we will take it this values as it is and we are going to calculate the values. So what is the modal class here? So if you measure this, if you check it here, so which value is the highest one? The value here is 10 is the highest one, that is the frequency, this is f1, and 30 to 35 is the modal class. You can take it this one as, so f1 is the modal class is 30 to 35 is the class interval and f1 is 10 here. Then what is the 9 and 3? Preceding is 9 and successive is intervals 3. So let's find it and let's going to write this one. So what is the modal class? As we know, for that 30 to 35 is the modal class and small l is the lower limit, lower boundary of the modal class, that is 30 small l, and h we are calculated 5, and frequency of the modal class, that is f1, we know that is 10. So from the table as already explained, the frequency of the class preceding, that is f0, we are taken as 9. So f0 is 9 and the succeeding modal class, the frequency, that is f2, will be equal to 3. So let's find out f1 minus f0. What's the formula? So f1 is 10 and f0 is 9. We will get 1. Then 2f1 minus f0 minus f2. That will be 2 into 10 minus f0 is 9 minus f2 is 3. So 20 minus 12. What we will get? That is 8. So let's going to substitute all the values here. So mode will be equal to, that will be small l plus 2, that is f1 minus f0 by 2 f1 minus f0 minus f2 into h. So small l is what? 30. So plus f1 minus f0 is, we are calculating 1. Then this one is 8 into h is 5. So let's take it LCM of this. So if you take LCM for this, what values we will get here is, so 30 plus 5 by 8, that is 30 into 8 plus 5 by 8. So 30 into 8, what is that? 30 into 8 is 240. 240 plus 5 by 8. So what value we will get? 245 by 8. So what we can take? So 245 by 8 is, if you cancel with this, so what answer we will get here is 8 ones are 8, 3s are, then 5 will be there. Point, what you can take it here is, so put 0, then what you can get? 30.5 is there, 8 6 are 48, 2 will be 8 2s are 16, then again 5. So 40, we will get 30.625. So that is our mode. So therefore what you can say here is so mode will be equal to, what is that? 30.625. So that is our answer, that is our mode will be, what you can say here, number of students. The more number of states, more states have this teach students as 30. So you can take approximately this is 30. So for one teacher, you can say more states have teacher student ratio. You can take for one teacher, 30 students are there. 30 students are there. That is the thing you can say it. Now we are going to calculate mean. So what is the mean here? They are given that number of students and number of states. For each state, for one teacher, how many students averagely we will get. So mean formula, we are going to take step deviation method for this. So step deviation method to calculate mean. So mean formula is equal to assumed mean plus summation of Fi ui by summation of Fi into h. So what is ui here? That is xi minus a by h. H already we know that length of the class length, or 20 minus, you can take it as this one, upper limits or lower limits you can take corresponding that. So any values you can take, 35 minus 30 or 30 minus 25, whatever it is there, you can calculate, we will get 5. Then xi is the average of corresponding, what you can say, average of both the values, that is lower limit plus upper limit by 2, average of lower limit and upper limit for the same corresponding interval. So that is the A is nothing but assumed mean, as we know that. So that is assumed mean. We are going to calculate. These are xi is nothing but middle values. So let's going to write this one as, so let's write for this xi. So number of students, how many are there? For 15 to 20 for that. Then next one is 20 to 25. Then 25 to 30, 30 to 35, then 35 to 40. These are exclusive class intervals because these two values, upper limits and lower limits for the successive intervals, are same. Then 40 to 45, then 45 to 50, then 50 to 55. So number of states, you can take this one as states as Fi. So number of states Fi, this is xi. Then ui will be equal to xi minus a by h. Then Fi into ui. So frequencies, you can write it 3, 8. What you can say here is 3, 8. Let's going to take 3, 8. Then 9, 10. Again 3, 0, 0, 2. 0, 0, 2. So let's going to write summation of Fi. We need to calculate for this. So summation of Fi is nothing but the sum of all the states. So summation of Fi will be equal to 3 plus 8 plus 9. So 17, 20, 30 and 35. So here this is 35. Let's move on to the next one, calculating middle values. So how to find it middle values here is, let's find it sum of the lower limits and upper limits for this one. So 15 plus 20 by 2, that is 35 by 2. What answer we will get? This is 17.5. So 270 is the 34 and 0.5 is nothing but 1, for that 17.5. Then for this 20 plus 25 by 2, from these intervals we are calculating, that is 45 by 2. What answer we will get? 22.5. So 4 2 2s are 4, then 2 2s are 4, 1 will be. So here it is increasing that 22 and 17. What is that? It is increasing with the 4 4 4 values. Sorry, 5 5 5 values. So simply you can add it 5 5 to it. 22.5 plus 5. What answer we will get? 27.5. If you observe this one, you can write it easily. Again 27.5 plus 5, 32.5. So again 32.5 plus 5, that is 37.5. If you observe this 40 plus 45, what answer we will get? 85 by 2. What answer we will get? 85 by 2 is nothing but 42.5. If you add 5 to it, we will get 42.5 only. Then 42.5 plus 5, then 47.5. Then what answer we will get? Middle value is 47.5. Then add 5 to it. So 47.5 plus 5, what answer we will get? 52.5. So these are the middle values. Let's find out what is the ui. So ui is nothing but xi minus a by h. So we need to take assumed mean. So let's going to take assumed mean as any one value from this. So you can remove that. What is that? Our this one. So let's going to take 32.5 as assumed mean. So you can take that one as assumed mean. Let's going to substitute here. So xi, so 17.5 minus assumed mean 32.5 by 5. So what answer we will get? So 17.5 assumed mean, you can take any value. Simply we have selected that 32.5. You can take 22.5, 27.5, any value from these middle values. So that is the way to take assumed mean. Let's find out this one. So 17.5, 13.5. So 32, what you can say here is 32 minus, simply subtract 32 minus 17. What answer we will get? 15. So 15 by 5. So here 15 by minus 15 by 5, you will get minus 3. So next value you can expect minus 2, minus 1, like that. So let's move on. 22.5 minus 32.5 by 5. What answer we will get? So it is exactly minus 10 by 5, you will get minus 2. So 27.5 minus 32.5 by 5. So you will get minus 5 by 5, you will get minus 1. Exactly it is 0 by 5. 32.5 minus 32.5 will get 0. So for this 37.5 minus 32.5 by 5, we are selecting all these values from this. So we are substituting the values from the formula. So 5 by 5, we will get 1. So if you observe here, minus 3, minus 2, 1, 0, 1. Next value we will get it as 10. That is, we will get 10 by 5, we will get 2. So next value, simply you can observe that 3 and 4 the values. So 47.5 minus 32.5, we will get 15 by 5, that is 3. 52.5 minus 32.5, we will get 20 by 5, exactly it is 4. Next, multiply all these values with this fi into ui. So let's going to multiply all these values. Let's multiply all these values, fi into ui. So fi is frequency, that is 3 minus 3 into 3, what will minus 9. So here minus 2 into 8, minus 16. Then minus 1 into 9, what answer? Minus 9. 0 into 10, we will get 0. 1 into 3, we will get 3. Then 2 into 0, 0. Then 0, 3 into 0, 0. Then what is the answer? The final one, we are multiplying the frequencies and the u step deviation values. 4 into 2, 8. So if you observe all these values, we need to add summation of fi ui. So let's going to add all these values. Summation of fi ui is nothing but summation of fi ui minus, what is that? 9 plus 16 plus 9, what answer? So minus 34 plus 0 plus 3 plus 8, we will get 11. So minus 11 means minus 23. So minus 23. We are getting all these values. Next, going to substitute all these values in this. So let's move on to the calculation of mean. So let's find out what is the mean here. The mean is nothing but, so mean is assumed mean plus summation of fi ui by summation of fi into h. So assumed mean we are taken as 32.5 plus summation of fi ui is nothing but minus 23. Summation of fi is nothing but 35 into h. H we already calculated, that is 5. 5 ones are, then 5 sevens are. So what is that? 32.5 minus 23 by 7. So let's going to take all these values. So let's move on to this. 7, 23 by 7. 7 ones are 7, 3s are 21. Point. Then 2 will be 7 2s are 14. Then 6 will be 7 9s are. So what answer? 3.29. So 23 by 7 if you do means 3.2857, like that. So here 3857. So 32.5 minus 3.29. Then subtract from this. 32.5 minus 3.29. What answer we will get? That is 29.21. So therefore, what you can say here is finally the mean we are calculated that. Therefore, mean is equals to 29 point, what is that? So 29.21. Then finally interpretation. So what is that? Interpretation is nothing but we need to represent all these values. Interpretation interpretation is mean is 29.21. That is, you can say average teacher student ratio, average number of students, average number of, you can say average number of students, you can take this one, average number of students for teacher in the state, that is 21. Then more will be equal to, what is that, 30.625. So you can take more number of states for the teachers, more number of states have teacher student ratio. So more number of states, more number of students or more number of states, whatever you can. So for each teacher, for one teacher or for state, you can take it like this. For one teacher, more number of students for each teacher or for one state. So for each teacher or one state, you can take it that 30. So like this we have to find it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.